They always attend, they always support.
Love you guys, that's all. Seriously.
Hopefully, magustuhan nila kung sino talaga ako.
You're still there to support me kahit na may mga trabaho na kayo. Yung iba sa inyo may anak na.
Hindi ako active sa social media talaga. Pero I'm super grateful to my fans because they stick with me all the time through whatever. But the main way I get to connect with them is through my advocacies. Kapag may event kami for charity or for our organization, for mental health, si Kulit Organization, they always attend, they always support. When I post my beliefs and morals online, kuwari if may pinoprotesta ako or whatever, simpleng repost lang nila, nandun na yung suporta agad eh. And malaking bagay yun sa akin kasi marami akong pinaglalaban sa buhay na to, and the fact na yung mga sumusuporta sa akin ay kumakapit and at the same time lumalaban din sa tabi ko. Malaking bagay yun, kaya mahal na mahal ko kayo guys.
I'm quite active recently on TikTok. I'm trying to get back to it. I try to dance with them. And then I do kung ano mga trends na gusto nila ipagawa sa akin. I comment, I interact with them, and also tell them or show them what my day-to-day activities are through IG. I love you guys, that's all, seriously.
Until now, inaalam ko pa rin paano mag-connect sa fans. I'm trying my best to communicate sa kanila. Ngayon, mas tatry ko lang magpapakatotoo na ako sa tao. And hopefully, magustuhan nila kung sino talaga ako or ano yung personality ko, attitude ko towards sa maraming tao.
I want to say thank you for the past 10 years. Thank you for all the support. Alam kong nandyan pa rin kayo. Yes, medyo nagpahinga ako but we're back, and I hope na you're still there to support me kahit na may mga trabaho na kayo. Yung iba sa inyo may anak na. Kasi minsan may magme-message sa akin, "Kay Ryle, I've been a fan since elementary, ngayon college na ako," or "may asawa na ako, may anak na ako." Hindi ko alam kung matutuwa ba ako or ano. But I'm very proud of everything that we've achieved, and happy ako na naging inspiration ako kahit papaano.